Did you know that most modern Samsung TVs have built-in screen mirroring technology that lets you display your phone's content wirelessly? In today's hyper-connected world, the lines between devices are getting blurrier than ever. Your television is no longer just a screen for cable channels, and your smartphone is far more than a calling device. But here's the big question: can you connect your Samsung TV to your phone and make them work seamlessly together? The short answer is yes, absolutely. The long answer? It depends on what exactly you want to do. Let's dive deep into how it works, what you need, and whether it's worth the effort. 1. Understanding the Samsung ecosystem. When you think about smart TVs, Samsung is one of the first brands that comes to mind. Known for its cutting-edge displays and robust smart features, Samsung TVs come equipped with powerful software like Tizen. This operating system is designed to integrate smoothly with smartphones, tablets, and other smart devices. Samsung also heavily promotes its ecosystem strategy. If you own a Samsung smartphone, like a Galaxy device, you're already in a favorable position. However, even if you use an iPhone or another Android phone, you're not left out. Samsung TVs are built to support cross-platform connectivity. 2. What does Samsung TV to phone really mean? Before we get technical, let's clarify what people usually mean by Samsung TV to phone. It could mean mirroring your phone screen to the TV, controlling your TV using your phone, transferring photos and videos from TV to phone, streaming TV content directly to your phone, using your phone as a second screen. Each of these functions is possible, but the method varies. 3. Screen mirroring, the most popular method. One of the most common uses is screen mirroring. This allows your phone's display to appear directly on your Samsung TV. If you own a Samsung Galaxy phone, you can use Smart View. This built-in feature lets you wirelessly mirror your screen with just a few taps. Simply enable Smart View from the Quick Settings panel and select your TV from the list of available devices. For iPhone users, things are just as smooth. Most modern Samsung Smart TVs support Apple AirPlay. By enabling AirPlay on your TV and selecting screen mirroring from your iPhone's control center, you can cast your screen effortlessly. The process is quick, wireless, and doesn't require additional hardware, provided both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. 4. Using your phone as a remote control. Ever lost your TV remote between couch cushions? You're not alone. Fortunately, Samsung offers the SmartThings app, which turns your phone into a powerful remote control. With SmartThings installed, you can change channels, adjust volume, launch apps, power the TV on or off, navigate menus. This feature works with both Android and iOS devices. Once connected, your phone becomes more than just a remote, it becomes a smart command center for your TV. 5. Streaming TV content to your phone. Here's where things get interesting. Some Samsung TVs allow you to stream live TV or media to your phone using SmartThings or built-in casting features. For example, if someone else wants to use the TV while you're watching something, you can sometimes continue watching on your phone. However, availability depends on the TV model and region. Certain apps installed on your TV may also offer companion mobile apps, allowing synchronized viewing experiences. 6. Transferring photos and videos. Want to grab a screenshot or video clip from your TV? While direct file transfer isn't always straightforward, there are workarounds. You can mirror your TV to your phone and capture screenshots. Use cloud apps to access shared content. Stream media files via DLNA-compatible apps. If you're deeply embedded in the Samsung ecosystem, sharing content between devices becomes much easier thanks to integrated cloud services and account syncing. 7. Using Samsung DeX for advanced features. If you own a compatible Samsung Galaxy device, you can use Samsung DeX to transform your phone into a desktop-like experience on your TV. While this is technically phone to TV, it creates a powerful bridge between devices. You can open multiple apps, use keyboard and mouse, browse the web, edit documents. DeX essentially turns your TV into a monitor powered by your phone. 8. Wired connection, is it still relevant? While wireless connectivity is convenient, wired connections still have their place. Using an HDMI adapter like a USB-C to HDMI cable, you can connect your phone directly to your Samsung TV. This method provides lower latency, stable connection, better quality for gaming. For gamers and professionals, wired connections are often more reliable than wireless casting. 9. Common issues and fixes. Even though Samsung makes connectivity easy, issues can occur. Common problems include devices not appearing on the same network, outdated firmware, AirPlay not enabled, app permissions disabled. Most of these can be resolved by updating software, restarting devices, or reconnecting Wi-Fi. 10. Is it worth doing? Absolutely, if you know what you want to achieve. Connecting your Samsung TV to your phone enhances convenience, boosts productivity, and expands entertainment possibilities. Whether it's sharing vacation photos, streaming videos, or controlling your TV remotely, the integration adds real value. For Samsung Galaxy users, the experience feels almost magical thanks to ecosystem optimization. For others, it's still smooth, just slightly less seamless. 11. Security and privacy considerations. Whenever devices connect wirelessly, security matters. Always ensure you're using a secure Wi-Fi network. TV permissions are properly managed. Screen mirroring isn't left enabled unnecessarily. Samsung includes security features, but user awareness is just as important. 12. The future of TV phone integration. The future looks even more interconnected. With advancements in AI, IoT, and cloud streaming, TVs and phones are becoming extensions of one another. Imagine seamless app transitions, shared notifications, real-time collaboration, cross-device multitasking. Samsung is actively investing in this direction, making integration smoother with each generation. 13. Quick survey. Connecting your phone to your Samsung TV can be super convenient, whether you want to watch videos, play games, or show photos to a larger audience. In this video, we'll explore the various methods to connect your phone to your Samsung TV and see how effective they are. From mirroring your phone's screen to using specific apps for control and content sharing, there are several ways to link your devices. This can be particularly useful for those who use their Samsung TV for more than just watching TV shows and movies. Samsung is a leading brand in the smart TV market, known for its innovative features and seamless integration with other devices. Their smart TVs come with a range of built-in apps and features that make it easy to connect with other devices. Their ecosystem is designed to work smoothly with smartphones, tablets, and even smart home devices. This integration allows for a more connected and interactive viewing experience. For example, you can use your smartphone as a remote control or stream content directly from your phone to your TV. The ability to connect your phone to your Samsung TV opens up a lot of possibilities for entertainment and convenience. We'll be covering several main connection methods in this video, including Smart View, which is essentially screen mirroring, and the SmartThings app, which offers more than just content sharing. Smart View allows you to mirror your phone's screen directly to your TV, which is great for gaming, video calls, or browsing the web. The SmartThings app, on the other hand, lets you control your TV and other smart devices in your home, making it a central hub for your smart home needs. Depending on your needs, you might also be interested in other casting options like Google Cast or Apple AirPlay, if your Samsung TV supports them. These methods offer different advantages, whether you're looking for ease of use, high-quality picture, or the ability to control your TV from your phone. Some of these methods are straightforward and work well, while others might have limitations, such as latency or compatibility issues. It's also worth noting that the effectiveness of these methods can depend on your specific devices and home network. Let's dive deeper into each connection method. For Smart View, activating it on both your phone and TV is relatively straightforward. You usually just need to select the Smart View option from your phone's settings or quick access panel, and then choose your TV from the list of available devices. On the TV side, you might need to enable screen mirroring or ensure that the TV is set to the correct input. Once connected, your phone's screen should appear on your TV, allowing you to navigate and use your phone as usual. The reliability of Smart View can vary depending on your network conditions, but it's generally good for casual use. You might experience some latency, which can be a problem for fast-paced games or video calls. The SmartThings app offers a more comprehensive set of features, allowing you not only to stream content but also to control your TV and other smart devices. To pair devices with SmartThings, you simply open the app, select your TV, and follow the prompts to connect. Once connected, you can use your phone to control your TV, adjust settings, and even share content like photos or videos. SmartThings is particularly useful if you're already using other smart home devices, as it can integrate them all into one app. Comparing the different connection methods, SmartView is great for screen mirroring and works well for casual use, but it might not be ideal for gaming due to latency. The SmartThings app, on the other hand, offers more advanced features and is perfect for controlling your TV and smart home devices. If you're looking for a simple way to mirror your screen, SmartView might be the way to go. But if you want a more integrated smart home experience, SmartThings is likely a better choice. 14. Final verdict: can it be done? Yes, it can be done, and it can be done easily. Whether you want to mirror your phone screen, control your TV remotely, stream content, or use advanced features like Samsung DeX, your Samsung TV and smartphone can work together seamlessly. The key lies in understanding your goal and using the right tool: SmartView, AirPlay, SmartThings, DeX, or HDMI. In 2026 and beyond, the real question isn't can it be done? But rather, why aren't you doing it already? Your TV and phone aren't separate devices anymore, they're part of the same digital experience. 15. Conclusion. In my personal experience, connecting my phone to my Samsung TV has been really useful. I've used it to show photos to friends and family on a bigger screen, which is always a hit. I've also used SmartThings to control my TV from my phone, which is super convenient when I'm sitting in a different part of the room. However, I did encounter some issues with latency when trying to play games via SmartView, so that's something to keep in mind. Overall, connecting your phone to your Samsung TV is generally straightforward and very useful. It's great for sharing content, controlling your TV, and even enhancing your smart home experience. SmartView is perfect for casual users who want to mirror their screen, while SmartThings offers more advanced features for smart home enthusiasts. I give the ease and effectiveness of the process a solid 8 out of 10, considering the variety of methods available. If you've had a similar experience or have a favorite way to connect your phone to your TV, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you're interested in learning more about Samsung TVs, you might want to check out my next video on the best smart TV apps for Samsung TVs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.